Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you the entire process of building a WordPress website. At the end of this video, you'll be able to design any WordPress website. Let's get started. Here, let me show you the entire process of making a website. These are 4 main steps you need to know for making any website. In step 1, you need to buy domain and web hosting. If you don't know what is domain and web hosting, let me explain. Domain is name and address of your website, and usually people choose their brand name as their domain address. For example, we have Bentley car company. They registered BentleyMotors.com as their domain address, domain name. Or Amazon company. They registered Amazon.com as their domain name. Or abc.net. Or you can, based on your brand name, register your domain name. And web hosting has 2 main benefits. The first one is it makes your website accessible on the World Wide Web, and people from all around the world can access your website and can visit your website. And another benefit is it provides a storage space to build your website. Later, for your website, you need to upload images and videos. You need a space. Web hosting provide that space for you. If I wanna explain it more, let's assume that you want to build a new home like this one. For this new home, you need an address. That address, we call it domain name. And to build it, also you need a piece of land. You cannot build it on air. So that land, we call it hosting server. And to have a website, this is first step you must be aware of. Now the question is that how we can buy web hosting and domain. Let me show you in action. To buy a domain and web hosting, you can Google it. Buy domain and hosting. You'll see a list of many companies that you can buy domain and web hosting from them, like this company, like this one, or like this one. Personally, I usually buy my domain and hosting from GoDaddy.com because of their good customer service. You come to this website and create your own account. And as you can see, I already created my own account. And here you see domain names. You click on search for domain names to see if that domain you wish to register is available. For example, if you search Zara or any domains, sometimes you see is taken and you cannot have it. So it's very important to make sure for those domains you wish to register, they are available. For example, I pick a very random name like Coffee Bella and search it. So as you can see, coffeebella.ca is available, but coffeebella.com is available, but it has a premium price. And this is because some people already bought, this domain and they list it for higher price. Or some, let's say we say Coffee Bella Canada. Okay. And then search. And now, as you can see, coffeebella.ca is available for 99 cents and coffeebellacanada.com is available for 99 cents. And there are other format of this domain like .net, .io, .org are available. Usually I recommend if you operate internationally, go for .com. If you operate in Canada, go for .ca. But usually I buy all possible, domains, all domains available for my brand. For example, I buy .ca, .com, .net, .co because I don't want to later someone else register that domain. I want to have all formats of my domain. So after you see it's available, you can add it to cart and .ca add to cart. Now it's we added to cart our domains. Now let's go and buy our web hosting. I come to this tab, website and web hostings. As you can see, GoDaddy provides several plans here based on different features they have. They have different prices. For example, for economy, it offers us 100 gigabytes, storage, and we can upload videos and images up to 100 gigabytes. And we can install only one website on this web hosting. And if you have, for example, if you have more than one company and you want to create websites for all of them, you have to choose, more advanced plans. And for example, because you need more storage and more, be able to design and make more than one website. But don't worry, if you don't know which one to choose, go for the basic one. Later, if you see it's not enough, you can, go for deluxe, ultimate, or maximum. You can upgrade it. Or if you totally, don't know what to buy, just click on contact us and tell a little bit about your company to GoDaddy Guides, and they will guide you which hosting is the best choice for you. Now let's say add this economy to the cart, and now you can see I have my domain for 1 year, and for web hosting I have it for 12 months. At the end of first year, I can renew for second year. Each year you can renew your domain and web hosting, and I continue to cart, and I need to pay that and to have this domain and web hosting for myself. Okay, here at the end you need to pay that. So these are extra. Let me delete this one as well, this one as well, this one. There we go. Now I have one .ca, one .com, and one economy Linux hosting. And here I have to pay that. So as I already bought my domains and web hostings, I don't want to buy these domains and hosting again. So you need to come to your profile name and then click on my products. And here you see a list of all of your products, including domains and web hosting. To install WordPress, okay, you need to find your web hosting and click on Setup. Click on Setup. Here, GoDaddy asks us, what is that domain you want to connect it with this web hosting? As I already bought several domains, I searched name of one of them, which is Meta e-commerce. I bought it already, okay? And then I click on update, and then asking me to choose a data center. I click North America because I live in Canada. And here it says create a WordPress website. We recommend using WordPress as your application to build your site. You can say, yes, let's do it. And here you need to set up your username and password. For example, Meta 1234. and your password. uh, Okay, after setting your username and password, you can click on next. Make sure to save your username and password somewhere because you need exactly the same username and password every time you want to go to backend your WordPress dashboard to manage your website. And then you click on next. It takes a few minutes to install. Okay, onboarding completed successfully. Now we go to dashboard, and here ask us a little, about our experience, feedback, and you say, no, I don't want to participate for now. Later you can do it, confirm. And now we refresh the list. Here we go. As you can see, WordPress already installed in our hosting. Now, if you click on admin, you can come to WordPress dashboard. There is another way to get access to WordPress dashboard. You can put in the name of your website, your domain name, /wp-admin. If you go to this URL, then your domain name /wp-admin, then ask you your username and password, then you can exactly come to this page, this dashboard. So it's important to know now we are at the back end of our website. Now if I hover my mouse on this home and with its side, right click and then open link in new tab, as you can see, this is the front end of our website, and we don't have anything here. Okay, so we go back to dashboard. Okay, click on, hover mouse on this and then dashboard. Again, now we are at the back end of our website. Now it's time for learning step 3. In step 3, you need to choose, you want to go for free theme or paid theme and template. There are 3 options for you. Option number 1 is free theme. If you come to dashboard of WordPress and appearance and theme, WordPress, click on add new. WordPress provides you lots of free themes and template to choose from, and you can here even you can tell your category. For example, it's beauty, and here give you lots of free themes, and you can install them right away. It's amazing because they are free. Okay, but the only problem with this free theme is that you cannot expect to have and be able to create a very amazing website with lots of advanced features, because those developers developed this free themes. They develop it and create it for one time, and they list it here, and because it's free, they don't spend more time to improve it and make it better, or add some advanced features. Usually if it's a real business and you want to have a very professional website, I don't recommend this free themes. Okay, so now let's see what is our second option. There is a very big website named Themeforest.net. Here, all developers, WordPress developers all around the world, they create some templates some themes and list it here to sell it. Okay, here in a search bar, you just you can tell your category of your business, and here you can sort it like bestsellers, and based on your category and number of sales, number of positive reviews, and the price based on your budget, then you can choose one of this pre-made template. For example, if let's say this one, Medi Center, so it seems it's a pretty good template. It has almost 11,000 people that have bought this one, and it has good reviews and good price. You click on this link and you see the product description. You can read it to see what are features of this theme. Okay, and then you want to see the preview, click on preview item. Usually they offer several design 1, design 2, design 3. You can choose one of this, for example, view demo of this for this job, or for pregnancy clinic. Okay, if you click on view demo, here we go. If we buy this pre-made template and we install it on our WordPress website, we will be having exactly the same layout, the same structure. But of course, we can change the information, change the picture, and change this title, change this button. We can change all of the information, which is awesome, which is amazing, and it saves lots of time from you. Okay, and but the only problem they have sometimes when you buy this theme and pre-made template, they have fixed structure and fixed layout. For example, if you want to be a little bit creative and add a new section, for example, after this section, you want to add a new section under that. So you cannot, because these sections are fixed and you cannot do it. So you have to stick to this layout and this structure. The only option you have, the only control you have, is to change the information based on your company's information. Okay. And another problem with this, pre-made template is that all of them have their own settings. For example, if you buy this one, you have to figure out some settings of this, template, and then, setup. And if you buy, for example, another theme, like for example this one, they have their own settings, and you have to first learn it and then set up. Okay, they don't have a same process, same settings. Each of them has their own settings, and sometimes it takes lots of time. Okay, and this is it's your second option. For example, I bought some pre-made templates years ago, like I believe 7 years ago, for example, like this Walmart. Okay, and if because I bought it in this download, it gives me zip file. Okay, and if I come to dashboard of my website and click on appearance and theme, and this time I add new. Instead of this free theme, I click on upload theme and upload that paid theme, paid template that I bought from this website. Okay, and you can install it and have the same design and same layout. Okay, this is your second option. The third option, which is my favorite, is having page builder, having website builder. Because of those problems I told you for buying these pre-made templates, we as a website designers, as a digital marketers, we cannot, limit ourselves to, fixed structure. Sometimes our clients ask us to add this section, to add, for example, this design, that design. They want something, very new, maybe 6 months later. So this pre-made templates are not good for us and for many. So for that reason, we prefer to to install a page builder, to build our website with page builder. For until now, the most popular page builders in the world are Elementor and Divi. How they work is just by drag and drop. For example, they provide you hundreds modules and elements like image, like text, like video. You can drag and drop and from scratch design your website based on your own idea, and you can be very creative and design it in a way you want. So this is amazing, and I like, for example, many website designers, they like page builders much more than pre-made templates. So after buying this, after deciding to go for page builders, so you come here to backend of your website, WordPress Dashboard. So as we want to install, Elementor, we go to plugin and then add new. By the way, for those of you who don't know what are plugins, plugins are kind of applications that can improve performance of your website. For example, if I click on popular tab, so you see many plugins developed by many developers all around the world. For example, Contact Form 7. If you install this plugin, you can create a form on your website. For example, any form for example, registration or something similar to that. Or migration. You can transfer your website from website, for example, website A to website B, and you can get backup, you can import, you can export, or like this one. Improve your WordPress SEO, write better content, and have fully optimized WordPress site. Or, for example, WooCommerce, for having an online store, you can e-commerce store, you can install this one. Or for security, improving security of your website, you can install this plugin. Okay, there are thousands of plugins you can install and to improve performance of your website. For example, we have another one like this, WP Fastest Cache. Here you can improve the speed of your website, and here you can see the reviews and the number of installations. So but for now, as we want to design our website, we click on Elementor website builder and install this page builder, Elementor page builder. We install it and then activate. There we go, we just installed. So guys, however we installed this plugin, if we go to appearance theme, that plugin is enough for designing and building our website. But sometimes that theme, that free theme you choose can be a better match for that plugin. For example, right now the active theme is this one, but there are two good free theme. If you install those themes, they are better match with plugin, Elementor plugin. For example, one of them is Astra, another one is Hello Elementor. So for example, I go for this one, activate, and now I have this Hello theme and plugin is Elementor. So now let's after installing plugin and theme, now it's time for step number 4, which is about designing our website. So let me show you in action. Okay, let's now learn how to design. The first questions you need to ask yourself: how many pages I need, how many categories I have. For example, for these echo.com, they have several categories: new, women, men, outdoor, golf, leather goods, and sell. Okay, these are their categories, and for each of this category, for example, women, they have their own page and they design their own page, okay, or this website. Okay, for this primary menu, what we want to show, okay, what are for example our services. This is one of the page we have to create, okay, or contact us or about us. Let's make sure to know how many pages you need, because later you have to design each page separately. So as you can see, here is front end of our website and here is back end of our website. So based on different categories and information we have, we come to pages, add new, and here for all of those categories, like for example women, we create one page for each of them. For example, women, one page, we publish that and come back to add new one. For example, men, we publish, create for men, and another page for example services, and then publish. Another page for contact us, publish, come back. Another page for about us, and then publish. There we go. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. So now we want to display these pages on front end of our website on this primary menu. How we can do that? We go to back end of our website, appearance, and then menu. Okay, now we are inside menu tab. Here we have to create a menu for header. So just rename it main menu or primary menu, and then create menu. And now we have to bring those pages we want to display on our main menu. So you select all of them and add menu. Then you maybe want to change the order, about us, and then services, and men and women, and contact us. So we save menu. And now if we go to front end or our website, now we don't have any menu, but we need to refresh. And here we go, we have this main menu, and for each of these pages we have to design separately. Okay, so now let's say sometimes you go to this women and you see they have subcategories. Okay, how we can have something like this. For example, for women they have boots, the sneakers, sandals, and casual, and dress. How we can have like this. These are pages, but we have to, there is one technique to bring these pages under the main page. So we come back to pages and we create a new page for boots, publish, and another page for maybe sandals, and then publish. Here we go. So now we have 2 more pages, boots and sandal. And we also need one page for, our home page. So here, home page, publish and publish. Home page is exactly the page when someone for the first time search the name of your website and domain name and they come to that specific page. We call it home page. So we have to design our home page as well. For example, for this one, this is home page. So we go to pages. Now we want to make menu like this, like subcategory. When someone hover on it, then they can see our subcategories as well. You go to pages, again appearance and menu, and here bring sandal and boots, add to menu, and now you need to drag and bring it close to women, but in this time you need to push them a little further, like sandal and boots, and then you save menu. You come here and refresh. Here we go. Under women we have sandal and boots. You can add more for each of this. You can have subcategory, under each of this. For example, if someone click on boots, then we'll go to exactly page of boots. So the next step is to go to each page and start designing. We go to pages. The first page we have to design is home page. We click on edit, and here we have to start editing. As we installed Elementor page builder, we click on edit with Elementor. Here we go. These are 100 modules and elements we can choose from to start designing our website, like heading, text, image, video, button, spacer, divider, Google map icon, gallery, form, slides, navigation menu, price list. But guys, pay attention. These modules are for pro. We have to go pro. But as we are using free version, still we have good modules to design our website. For example, counter, testimonial, tabs, toggle, accordion, social icon. We can do that. So first we have to create, one section like this one. One section. We have to create section for each part of design. We have to create a new section. For example, first section. So click on these 9 dots, and then bring, for example, image. You bring that image here, and then you create a second, for example, a second section. Again, go to 9 dots, and then for example, the second section you want to be, for example, 2 columns or 3 columns. You say 2 columns, okay? And 9 dots. Bring one image here, and then go to 9 dots again, bring one heading here, and text editor under that, and maybe one button under that. Okay, you can keep going one by one and design one by one, and start designing, create your own website and make your own website based on your own idea. So this is how it works. For free version, this is how it works and how you can design your website with Elementor. However, if you buy premium version of Elementor, they have some pre-made pages. You can just by click of button install that page. For example, here you can search restaurant. Okay, here give you some pre-made pages, like for example for menu. If you click on that, it shows you the preview of that page. For example, that's nice, you know, you can change the information here. But if you go for Pro, then you can install it right away and start editing. And if I come back, for example, this time I search for example, doctor. Here I can see the preview of that page. Here we go. I can install it right away and have a page exactly similar to this one, and then, you know, just edit information, which make my designing process much easier. You can do it. So it's up to you. You want to design yourself and edit everything and create everything from scratch, or you want to use this pre-made pages. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks for listening. In second video, I'm going to go over all of these modules and show you how to create a very professional website with Elementor, how to design a professional website with Elementor. But in this video, you'll learn the entire process of making a website. See you in the next video.